Okay, I'm back. I made myself a little mini coffee. I've had my quota today, but I really felt like I wanted another one. So we were going to work on this one with Shabbydabbydoodah. And the reason why I'm getting it done today is because I wanted to do a few tags for each one with you guys, and that way then I'll be able to send them out. So what I'm going to do, I've accidentally, so you want to be careful of that. I'm just going to put this underneath. And so what the twins for me did was they folded them like so. I think I'm not going to fold it right to the edge there. So I feel like it'll be a little bit better. Just crease it. So that one went like that, and I have to be careful. Then you've got to flip over the next page. Actually, I might do it differently. So the one that she did was this one here, right? So this is your pocket in there. No, maybe I'll do it like that. I can take these off now. This will be dry. Okay, so that one's done, and the other one's done. Now maybe I'll do it her way, just to do something different, because we've done the other ones where they've got the backing. No, so now I just need to go here and sort of measure it. I can't really see very well because I'm at a bad angle, but that'll do. I mean, it's not precise, but it'll do. And then what she did, and I say she because I don't know the twins for me. I don't know their names. I must learn their names. It's very bad. Very bad. Glued this down. Yes, you have to glue it down because you can't stitch around it. Like if you were doing it like with book pages that were out of a book, you could then stitch around and you could leave that as a tuck spot. But no, we'll do it exactly how Twins for Me did it. We won't go off on a tangent. And then I'll just flip this over, and you see I'm just using it to glue. Okay. Now, the tough part is choosing the paper. The paper. Let's get Shabbydabbydoodah out. Now, I need to get the kit out that I was using. I think so. Well, let me see. No, I don't think I can go grey. The other one's a bit more grey, where we've got warmer sort of colours here. So I don't think I can go grey. Well, the hair can go grey, but not the paper. Ha 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 ha. Funny one. Just a minute. I don't want those. They've got blue. We haven't used any blue. I could, for example, do something like that, but why would you do that? I could use this one, or maybe I would like to get those flowers there. That's what I would like, this one. So this is it. So I think what I'll do is I'll just trim off my border. I'm trimming off my border, so I've got the actual what do I want to say? Who knows? Who knows? Probably only need to trim those two off, and I want to capture that. So let me just see here. Put my line there, and I'll get my cutter, because you'll see what I need to do. So she, the Twins for Me, actually, I think she folded her paper in half, like so. I didn't really pay attention. I should pay attention, shouldn't I? She folded it, and then, but she was using scrapbooking paper, and put it in there, cut that down there, and then folded it around. That's what she did. That is how she did it. So folded it around like that, and it was cut on the diagonal. I mean, I could try that. Well, I give that a whirl. I can always reprint the page out, but the only thing is, in saying that, I'll get these flowers over here, but I want them over there. So I think I'll do it my way. but what I will do is I will certainly fold it in about half. I think that's about right. No, a little bit, I need a little bit more. A little bit more I need. And then, now I've got that upside down. I need to put that in there. Like so. And I need to grab a pencil. Now I did have a pencil floating around. I think don't tell me I put it away. No, it's gone all the way over there. Just put my line down there. So I've got my cutter here. I need to cut it in half. Oh, I nearly threw paper into my little mini coffee that I made. And I'm just going to trim this here, and then I can even put it in like so and just kind of put it like that, and then cut it. And put it there. Look at that. I'm not even going to cut that off because you can hardly see it. And that's going to glue there. And I do like how that looks. So now I need, where's that big piece of paper? Maybe I'll use that big piece of paper to glue on. And then when I've done that, before I do my next piece, I will have a sip of coffee. How about that? Just for those who are missing the coffee sips. Because I've been crafting late in the afternoon. I can't drink coffee, as you know, late in the afternoon because there'll be no sleeping. And no sleeping means craziness. That's a good one. I could put a little bit of washi down there if I wanted to. Okay, and then I have to do this side. And I need to, there's another decision to make. Let's have a sip of coffee before we make any decisions. Okay, so I'll do the ephemera tomorrow, and I will need to do a little bit of fussy cutting, I think. I've got this piece of paper here. I've got a few pieces of paper there. And let me see what's happening here. See, I was thinking I do quite like these. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. They're not as brown as I thought they were. They've got quite a bit of yellow. I like that. Let's have a look. Let's see what goes. So, could have something like that. You'd only get half of it, so that's not going to work. Nope. And that's the same with that one. I could get this. Do those colours go? No. Oh, they kind of go. So that's a possibility. Let me see what that, or otherwise the other possibility are the ones that are from the actual kit. I don't think I would get her. Oh, yes, I would be able to keep her. I wouldn't lose her. I could have her. Or I could just do this one here, which I quite like. Let me see. I quite like the look of that. So I think I'll do that one. I mean, look at this. This kit is not these other ones, not these ones. These are from another kit. But they are just, there's just so much in there to play with. It's like a mini version of Jaff's big kits. We have so many things. Okay, so I'll put all of those things there, keeping myself in order, you see. And right, now we need to measure this. So I think I wanted to do that. Of course I wanted to do that bit, didn't I? Don't do that because it has to go that way. So what I need to do, what do I need to do? I need to fold it. first of all, why don't I trim off my excess? Okay, and then I kind of need to fold it, so let me just measure it here. And that's too big. I love the measuring. Okay, get the cutter. And then trim this about like that. I'm just putting it on my line that I drew, and it should fit. Just, I probably could trim just a teeny tiny bit off, but I'll just glue it down like so. So where's my thing? I'll do it on here, and then I can get rid of that. Actually, this could make a little journal cover, couldn't it? This nice piece of cardstock. Maybe I won't get rid of it. I don't think I will. So let me see here. It needs to be fairly flush, and that's okay, I think. Is it? Just. It's not perfect, but it's okay. And then I need to glue down my two sides down here. Hopefully I'm on screen. I'll move it up over here and here. Squish those together. And then you could, then afterwards you can put a tuck spot on them. Let's just have a look and see if we want to do that. I don't think I'll do it on that side. I think I'll leave it like so, but let's just make sure. Okay. Just have another sip of coffee. Okay, the coffee's done. You've got all these kind of things in the kit. You could do some form of, some form of tuck, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I like it how it is. Quite like that. No, I think there's enough going on. We're going to, oh, see, I didn't let the glue dry. Well, I'll put some washi down there. What washi will I put down there? What washi? Something fairly simple, I think. This is an MT washi. I like this one. Okay, so we'll let that dry, and that one is done. The other side is like that, and I'm not going to do that again on the other side. I think one is enough, because otherwise it's going to become very bulky. It is a notebook. And now it's time to make the ephemera, and I think I'll do that tomorrow, because I'll pull out, this is only a 15-minute video, so maybe I'll attach them together. No, I think I'll post them separately. I'll do two. Okay, so that is that one. That was just to show you the Twins for Me pocket, and I'll show you, oh, I won't show you, I'll put the link. I'll put the link in the description box, and I will see you tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Bye.